Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois, and on the slightly less beautiful BlogTV. We're opening up a box of Topps Triple Threads Football 2011. It's been known to have completely blank cards, a lot of defects, some damaged items, but also some wonderful, wonderful cards. So we're going to see what our shot is today. We wish you all luck. There's several guys that have divisions on this break.
This is a division break.
And we have people hoping for a book. That's a good thing.
Yeah, book would be nice.
I wish you all good luck. Here's a drum roll.
Pack one. We have Santonio Holmes, $9.99. Jets.
J-E-D-S, Jets.
John Elway, $9.99.
Who?
Frank Gore to 300. Frank Gore. Take the base off the back. Okay. Pierre Thomas, 250.
I see that.
Did you?
I saw one of them.
Tom Brady, $9.99.
I like the base.
Yeah, the base is nice.
That's kind of facing, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
All right, we went over the Frank Gore. Now we hit the. Ooh.
Yeah. Be careful there, champ.
Mikel, is it Michael or Mikel?
I think it's Michael.
Michael LeSure, autograph relic to 75. That would be
North.
NFC North.
NFC North. Cy Berger's on the board.
75 autograph jersey.
Woohoo!
And now we got NFC South. I think it's South.
I can't see the. Yeah, Carolina.
Yeah, the South.
NFC South.
Nice.
Cam Newton.
Nice.
3 of 9.
A nice Cam Newton for whoever has the South.
I don't know.
Bang.
3 of 9 right there.
That is sweet.
So that's pretty sweet. Cool.
So we're off to a good start.
All right. Pack 2.
If your division didn't get hit, there's always this box.
That's true.
Yeah, you know, I'm a glass half
Maybe
full.
it's loaded
kind of
with
guy.
hits.
It's loaded with hits.
Maybe it's loaded with hits. All right. You like the back?
I do. Cy will like the back.
All right. Got to take out the 2 base from the back. 250 Brandon Marshall. We have
Something for Cy.
Percy Harvin, $9.99. I don't really like how they did the hits.
This is the only Viking receiver.
Brian Urlacher, $9.99.
Again for Cy. Good Lord.
Nnamdi Asomugha, $9.99.
Nice guy.
All right. LaShawn McCoy, $300. And we're going to go from back here. Ryan Williams, 36 of 36 for the Cardinals. Who had the Cardinals?
Who had the West.
And autograph for the Chargers. Jordan Todman to 99. There you go. Not too shabby. Is that Chris? I think that is Chris. Oh, maybe not. But pretty solid box.
Yeah?
Got the Cam to 9. LeSure, Todman, and Ryan Williams.
Ryan Williams, yeah.
So there you go. There's the box.
Not bad at all.